Hello, back again, 22nd of April, Wordle. I'm going to start the way I normally start, which is crane, read somewhere, but that's the most effective starting letter, or starting word. I'm not sure why. Got two straight off the bat, an A and an N. Stand seems a good one. Right, we've got a T. Thank, maybe. J-N-K. T in the long place, so that means the end's in a T. Something A-N-T. Chant, no, we had a C, we used a D, we used an E. F-G. Giant. Giant would fit. No, neither of them, neither a G or an I. Running out of guesses. H-I-J-K. Lent, no, we had an E. Meant, we had an E. Plant. One go after this. No, you've got it. Plant it is. That was Wordle for 22nd of April. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, if you could give me a like, that would be fantastic. Cheers, bye.